Once again, good evening. This is Power BI demo session. This is Power BI demo session. Today is the first demo. Tomorrow is the second demo. There are two demo classes. In these two demo classes, I'll give you a complete understanding about Power BI basic practical. So not only Power BI, the environment which you are going to join that I will cover in detail. And what type of components we use in Power BI. How do you work on the components? That also I'm covering in these demos. Join for two demos, feel comfortable, then only continue the regular sessions. So my name is Vinay. This is my contact number. And I'm working as a BA lead consultant in one organization. I'm a working professional. And I usually take normal classes, 50 to 60-hour classes. Daily 1 hour is the time. Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday are the classes. And fast track. I don't offer fast track, but my institution offering fast track. In case you're looking forward for the fast track classes, you can reach out on this number. So 1 month is the duration. The trainer is different. In case you're interested for my classes, the normal track classes, you can purchase my videos to finish it quickly. Or you can attend my two batches parallelly. In that way, you can finish in 1 month. So this is very brief about me. And coming to Power BI, these are the components I'm covering, where you will not find these many components covering in Udemy, online, other websites, web portals, and many training institutes. And my objective is to give end-to-end Power BI knowledge. So I'm covering all these components. Most of the training institutes, most of the online portals supporting only Power BI desktop and DAX, partly service. This you will find. Coming to this institute, yes, Power Platform Understanding will give you. This is for 4 hours. Power BI Server Understanding Additional will give you 3 hours. Report Builder will give you 2 hours. SQL session 3 to 4 hours I will cover. MSBA Cubes, Microsoft BI Cubes, I will cover for 3 hours. GitHub Practice, I will explain you. Report Testing, I will explain you. 2 near real-time projects I will cover, and multiple case studies also I will cover. If you learn all these things, you are 100% suitable for the current Power BI market. Current Power BI market. Sir, you are giving the subject, it's pretty good, but what about materials and all? You don't worry. We'll give you good theory and practical material. Daily live class recording, I will share you. Full practical on the training, I'll give you. And you will be having good interaction with me in the WhatsApp or call. I will help you in the resume preparation. And one WhatsApp group also created for our team, for our batch to discuss. FAQs also discussed in the classes on and off. So this is the way we will create a folder for your batch. Any batch. Take 7 a.m. or 7 p.m. 7 a.m. June batch I will take. So this is a main folder. Or you want to take 8 a.m. July, which was completed recently. 8 a.m. July. So this is the video area, lab setup area, material area. Checklist, what you need to ensure, whether we are covering all the required part or not, or promised part or not, you can ensure from the checklist. So when you click on it, you will be finding it. Demo sessions, in the first folder. Second one, lab setup, second one, extracting data, third one, like this. All the videos available here, one by one, with proper classification. These are your class videos in case you join. So I will record videos and categorize folders like this. This is for the previous batches. Video followed by material, both available in the same area. You can go through it so that you can practice properly. And my course is completely designed to suit these opportunities. Less than 5 years you can keep in Power BI and try in the market. I'm talking about Power BI dedicated experience less than 5 years. Power BI developer plus DAX and SQL. Power BI support resource you can try. Power BI administrator you can try. Power BI plus MSBA combination in case you have knowledge on MSBA. But I will give you little understanding about AS, you don't worry. And you're a Tableau or ClickView resource, you want to try in the combination, you can try. Azure Data Factory, Data Lake plus Power BI you want to try. Yes. Power BI Freshers you want to try. Power BI plus Synapse and Databricks you want to try. These are the combinations. So these anyway my course is suitable and these three exclusively suitable. These three. You can try as a developer, support resource or admin resource. Sir, what if I want to put more than 5 years? You can keep, but by learning you cannot keep. Because modeling knowledge, designing knowledge, specialist knowledge, architecting knowledge is required, which you will not get in the classroom or this training level. With 1 or 2 projects end-to-end experience only, you will get this knowledge. But these all positions confidently you can try in the current market. My classes 50 to 60 days duration, and you want fast track or one-on-one or customized training, and this is a contact number. Okay, right. Let me brief by typing in a notepad. I'll be sharing this notepad as well. My name is Vinay. Mobile number in case you want to reach out to me. This is my contact number. 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. you can reach out. 8 to 10 p.m. you can reach out. Except Sunday. Training objective. Interviews and working purpose. Complete subject, a detailed subject with all environment components covering. This is training objective. Duration 60 hours. You can ask me, sir, can you finish in 30 hours or 25 hours? It's not possible. If we cut down the subject, then it is possible to complete in 20 hours or 25 hours. Power BI has many components, and there are a couple of components you need to know in detail. If you want to know all these things, definitely you need to spend this time. If someone is taking this, definitely they are reducing the subset, reducing the components. Reducing the subject, reducing the components, no doubt in that. Next, right. And what we provide in brief: daily live class video, materials, WhatsApp group intimations, positions applied for. You can try majorly Power BI developer or administrator or support resource, comma, Power BI plus any combination. You're suitable for this. Now coming to my batches, my current running batches, 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., even 10 a.m. I have. These are the batches. New batch from today at 5 p.m. This is a 5 p.m. batch. Next, what is required to try as Power BI or BA developer? In case you want to try as a Power BI developer, first, data warehouse and BA environment understanding is required. Little bit awareness on ETL process required. Awareness or knowledge on SQL required. SQL language, database language, SQL. We will cover, look at this, we will cover 4 hours, but recommend you to take separate training for 30 to 40 hours. We have 7 to 8 topics. Need to practice strongly for interview and working. But overview understanding it in 30 to 40 hours, but for interview purpose, 7 to 8 topics required. What are the topics? I will let you know. But my 3 to 4 hours is not sufficient for interviews and working perspective. I believe you got the point. Next, Power BI components. On-premises and cloud, both you must learn properly. Power BI project environments. This is compulsory required. So by learning this, you're eligible to try for a job and to work happily in the organizations. Little bit testing knowledge. Advantage, not compulsory, advantage. As part of ETL, if you have SSIS or ADF or Informatica, knowledge advantage. Even you don't have, we will tell you, don't worry about this. Not these components, ETL process I will cover. Coming to testing level, I will explain your report testing, report testing for 1 hour. This is required for you. Now we will move to demo agenda first day. Before I move to this, I would like to hear a question from you. Yeah, we will move to demo agenda first day. First demo is theoretical demo, where I'm going to give evaluation from data to Power Platform. This is a first day discussion. Second day discussion, second day practical demo. Here, Power BI practical. There are two objectives. First demo objective, to give awareness about data, IT applications, BI applications, Power BI, Power Platform. So this awareness I want to give you so that you are comfortable to continue Power BI after listening to this. And this session objective is ease of Power BI in installation and practical. The low code approach of Power BI I want to explain. And the self-service BI of Power BI I want to explain. This is practical. So two divisions, one is theoretical and this. Now coming to regular class. Once you guys are comfortable, then take a call. Kindly stay tuned till I close the first demo. Then only you will get good understanding and the market of Power BI. Does Power BI having good calls and all? Everything I'm going to cover in this area. So this is a diagram. So no prerequisites. As you guys are asking me, I'm writing here prerequisite. Any degree graduate can learn. Who is passionate about IT? Any graduate. But while learning, they need to have knowledge on this. They need to get knowledge on this. No specific prerequisite. But if you have knowledge on Excel or SQL, not knowledge on Excel or SQL, a little advantage. Not only SQL and SQL, any IT component knowledge. Little advantage, but not compulsory. Hoping I addressed your question. Right. Look at this picture. This is an evolution you are supposed to know. Data to Power Platform. What is data? How many types of data available in the current market? And IT applications use what type of data? And how many types of IT applications available in the current market? What is BA application and BA application categories? And Power BI comes under which category? And Power BI is standalone or it's depending on any other. So this hierarchy I'm going to explain along with the market of Power BI. Kindly stay tuned. Worthwhile information, not basics. very important information you learn from here. First one, data. Anything you are able to store is called data. Data availability. Three types. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured data. Third one, unstructured data. Three types of data available. I started from basic. The very basic is data. Now we are increasing our complexity. What is structured data? Here, data column by column. Example, student ID, student name, something like this available, that is column by column data. Structured, mostly tables, Excel application, and many applications contain this kind of data. Semi-structured data, partly structured. And you can ask me one question, sir, this is okay. Could you tell me where we see structured data more and more? Business processing applications. Take Book My Show, IRCTC. These all applications show, these all applications contain structured data, column by column data. Semi-structured, your logs, your journals, extra content, audit information, statistic information. These are semi-structured. And you want to see how many applications are currently running in the Windows, how many users connected to the server. Then system will show you in a log level, yes, these many applications are running, these many users are running. And that comes under semi-structured. Unstructured, no structure at all. Knowingly, unknowingly, we are using it. Your social media data, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And your emails. Emails data is unstructured. Gmail, Yahoo, etc. And your documents data, PDF, Word, etc. These all come under unstructured data. So we have three types of data in the current market. Do you know the storage areas? Data storage areas. Tell me guys, where exactly you are storing your data, mobile data? Where exactly you're storing your mobile data? First one, on-premise, in your mobile level itself. On-premise indicate within the organization, within the device, or within the organization. B, second, we take backup, daily backup, weekly backup, monthly backup. We'll move to cloud storage. Somebody else storage, comma, we connect using an account. Samsung mobile people, Samsung cloud, Apple people, Apple cloud, different people, they're keeping in different cloud, different other company storage areas. So three types of data available, two places we are keeping, on-premise and cloud, within the organization, within the device, or somebody else storage area. So far clear? Now coming to IT applications. Majorly two types. You are able to see many applications, Java, .NET, PHP, Python, MSBA, Power BI, mainframes, different applications, but majorly two categories. First one, business running applications. They will help to run the business. Second one, business analysis applications. They will help to analyze the business. Only two types. One will run, one will analyze. This technically called as OLTP, online transaction processing. This technically called as OLAP, online analytical processing. Online transaction processing, online analytical processing. An example, IRCTC is the best example for online transaction processing. Book My Show is the best example for online transaction processing. Who are the audience? Audience are general public. What about data storage? Structured only. Structured table storage in the database. The database Oracle they are using to keep the data. Oracle is the database organization using to keep the data. Format. This is a format. If you book a train ticket, it looks like this. PNR number, train number, train name, passengers, start station, end station, date, amount, etc. This is the format the data will be stored in the respective business area. And coming to analysis, the same data we analyze here. The same data we analyze. We analyze the same OLTP data. But audience, storage, everything different. I forgot here, interface, audience, okay. How do you book a train ticket? You may book through a website. You may book through Apple, mobile or tab. If you go to counters, ticket counters, they use desktop. These are the ways we book the ticket and we perform transactional operations. And coming to analysis level, never participated general public, only management team like vice presidents, SME subject matter experts, data stewards, data scientists, etc. people. Interface, again, these people using nowadays web or app or desktop to analyze it. Data storage, no data storage. Analysis. The data analysis happen in the form of report and dashboards. Report and dashboards with visuals and insights. This is what you need to understand. Analysis level, management team participated. It could be anyone. Interface via web or app or desktop, they will analyze it. And by using a report or dashboard, they will do that. And where it contains visuals and insights. So what is report? What is dashboard? What is visual? What is insight? Visual. Graphical data display component. Insight. Detailed understanding of visual data or interpretation of visual data. This is insight. Then what is report? Reports. Individual. I'm going little down. Individual operation display component. But how? In the form of visuals and insights. Individual operation. Many visuals and detailed information because it is individual. And in the organization, more reports also you find. More reports in the organization. Coming to dashboard, it's a different. A specific subject area data display component. Simply, some people say set of reports, visuals placed here. Set of reports, visuals, limited dashboards in the company. Non-IT people should focus on this. One best example I will give you for a report, cash withdraw from savings account is a reporting example. Here the example is cash deposit, withdraw, account transfer, etc. for savings account. So set of individual operations regarding savings account if you show, that is a dashboard. Individual operation only you show, that is called report. So you guys are ready to provide solution to management team, and you provide access to the management team via these interfaces, and they use reports and dashboards with visuals and insights for decision making, and report and dashboard like this. And this is your environment. You guys work in this environment, and ultimately it produces this kind of data. This is your data. This is your input. Remember, this is your input. OLTP data, your input data. You can say input. Then what you produce? You produce output data like this. How many trains having full booking? Trains not having any booking. Top 3 trains having demand. And this is called decision making data, and we call it as an output. This data can also be called decision making data. Some people also call it as analytical data. Some people also call it as business intelligent data or business intelligence data. This is business intelligence data, decision making data, or analytical data. And we will convert from here only. But how come we convert normal transactional data like this? We have a process called BA process, business intelligence process. And how do we implement this process? BA process implemented using BA applications. The applications which support is called BA application. Is it easy to convert your normal data into decision making data? No. Layered approach. A BA approach is layered approach. Multiple layers and tools or components required. Then only we can do. What is a layer? First one, we should extract the data, extract business data. If it is not suitable for analysis, we need to transform the data. Yes, this data is not suitable to present it. We need to go for some kind of changes. Those changes are called transformations. So your daily data first extracted in this area and then transformed. We'll make it suitable for analysis. Later, we will store some area. After storing, we'll apply analytical operations. So analysis we will do. Analytics, like sum, average, count, rank, top, these kind of operations we apply after this. Once this is ready, we go for presentation. So this process is called BI process or a business intelligence process. So IT level, major classifications to one kind of applications perform business process, one kind of applications for analysis. And these applications will take the data, apply this process, finally convert into decision-making data like this. The data is called BA data and the process is called BA process, which is a layered process. Let me show you that. Go to this. This is a standard BA process. Do not confuse, you will understand easily. Look into that. General public, through these applications, they perform operations. The data is the input for you guys. And you will generate BA data. Again, you will present in the same kind of platforms to the management team. So this is the input and this is the output. In between, whatever the process we have, that is a BA process. First, we will see the very standard BA process given in 90s. This BA evolution also compulsory. BI, business intelligence evolution also compulsory. Intelligent data to the business, intelligence to the business is BI. Business intelligence, intelligent information of the business, intelligence to the business. The process given early 90s. According to the process, first one, this is a layer we need to use. Extraction, transformation, load layer. Layer one. So your daily data, it will fetch, perform this operation, move into warehouse, layer two. Huge storage area. Once this is completed, we'll take required data and perform aggregate analytical operations. Cubes and all created. Finally, we go for data presentation, report generation, dashboard generation. I'm talking about standard BA process. Extraction, transformation, loading, moving into huge storage area, data warehouse, data huge storage area. From there to cubes. Cubes are special kind of data holders which will hold aggregate data, analytical data easily. Here we never hold aggregate analytical data. We go for this. The advantage is data presentation easier. So 90 to till 2005, if any company want to implement this process, converting normal data into business intelligence data, they need to use these layers and respective components. Okay. Now, so these kind of tools they use in this area, Informatica, Data Stage, Ab initio, maybe you heard about it. Teradata, Oracle, DB2, SQL Server, these kind of databases here. These kind of ETL tools, these kind of databases, these kind of analytical components, and these kind of reporting components compulsory required to implement end-to-end. It was very complex for the many organizations. Let me put the same thing. Now, BA evolution. I'm going to conclude wonderful thing. Kindly stay tuned. BA evolution. Process raised early 90s. According to the process, we need minimum 4 layers. What is the first layer? Extraction, transformation, loading layer. Second one, data warehouse storage layer. Third one, semantic, analytical data preparation layer. Next, presentation layer. These are the layers compulsory. Sir, what are the drawbacks? Early approach drawback. I'm talking about early process. Disadvantage. Multiple tools, components, setups, resources, compulsory required. So more cost, more storage, more process overhead. And also code not in sync. The most important point, code not in sync. We are going for different companies for different tools. Definitely there is no code sync. Definitely there is no code sync. First time one organization came to the market with end-to-end solution is Microsoft. That Microsoft first BA is MSBA. They simplified this process. No need of multiple vendors. Take Microsoft MSBA, Microsoft BA. If you look at this, nowhere BA available, only Microsoft, because they proudly launched. So we are releasing multiple tools. These are the tools. And multiple tools as a suite. MSBA available in the market as a suite with multiple tools. First one, integration services. Second one, analysis services. Third one, reporting services. Integration services perform operations in this area. Analysis services perform operations in this area. Reporting services perform operations in this area. So these 3 minimum tools required in MSBA to perform end-to-end. But of course, we are purchasing like a single suite. So the burden of purchasing multiple tools and maintaining multiple setups, different costs reduced. So first time, MSBA, that is on premises. Within your company only, you need to install the servers, you need to keep the data, you need to manage. MSBA. Because if you go to interview, they may ask you, when MSBA available, why Power BI? 90, 90, 91, 92, in between. What was that? I forgot. Middle age BA. Microsoft BA, which is called as MSBA. Self-service BA. Self-service BA suite to perform end-to-end BA operations and generate reports or dashboards quickly. Middle-aged BA. What is self-service? As it is doing end-to-end BA, it is called self-service BA. Self-service BA suite. And year of release, 2005. Versions every 2 to 3 years. Look at the point, 2 to 3 years, there is a version. 2005, 2008, 2008 R2, 2012, 2014, 2016, 2017, 2000. 19, 2022, etc. These are the versions. Now the most important point. From 2008, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA. Most important point, Microsoft is a leader for the last 16 years. You want to see that? I will give you this link. I request all the professionals open this link and see the statistics of Microsoft. Don't ask anyone, any of your friends regarding the market leadership. They may not have good knowledge. Look at the live statistics. Gartner is one organization who usually rate IT applications. They said, today we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in Magic Quadrant analytics and BA platforms. For the last 15 years, Microsoft is a leader. And you want to see leaders. Microsoft is a leader. Salesforce, Tableau, ClickView, ThoughtSpot, TIPCO. These are all other. These are all challenges. Leaders, challenges. See the market of Microsoft. Not only this company, Forrester Wave. I'm clicking on this link. Microsoft named a leader in the Forrester Wave Q3 2021. Read the point. We are excited to announce Forrester has recognized, Forrester company also recognized Microsoft as a leader in the augmented BA platforms. So everyone considering Microsoft as a leader for the last 15 years because of MSBA. This is the first point you need to remember. MSBA is not a normal component, very strong component. Still, till this day, we have good market. And MSBA is the first BA from the Microsoft, the strongest BA in the market. One of the strongest BA and is the leader. Now, one quick question you can ask me. Sir, if MSBA available in the market, why Power BI? I request all the working professionals, please go through the links. Please go through these links. Krishna, your voice is breaking. I did not get you clearly. No issues. So when MSB available, then why Power BI? First, we'll see the disadvantages. Important. Because people ask me, sir, I heard about MSBA. What is MSBA? No need to ask anyone. Look at this evaluation properly. Disadvantage is MSBA released in 2005. So whatever the architecture we have, whatever the processes we have, that is before 2005 only. Before 2005. And Facebook, in which year released? 2004. Twitter, somewhere around 2007. And cloud applications in the market, 2008 onwards available. cloud applications, mobile apps, and we guys are using mobile apps for the last 3 years, but available from 2012, more and more apps available. And this is IT drastic change. Cloud added, social media increased, mobile interface people are using like anything. And this support is not there in MSBA. This support is not there. So many people question Microsoft. You are saying you are the leader, but what about this market? So Microsoft decided to announce a new product by adding more power. Power adding to existing BA. Existing MSBA only, more power added. And that is called powering BA. Some people call it as Power BA. Powering BA, or some people call it as powering BA. Are you okay? Now, what exactly we have here? First one, we have on-premises and cloud support. First advantage in Power BI. Second advantage, mobile and tab friendly. Third one, any type of data and any data it operates. End-to-end, right? Embedding possible. What do you mean by embedding? Placing Power BI reports in websites, blogs, etc. Last one, self-service BA application. This is the important one. End-to-end BA process in single service or application. No need of multiple tools like MSBA. This is one more advanced feature in the Power BI. So on-premises and cloud support, mobile and tab friendly, any type of data and any data it operates. Embedding possible. You can place the reports in the websites, blogs, etc. And self-service BA. Let me go through this picture and explain it. MSBA, to perform this BA process, SSIS required in this layer, SSAS, analysis services required in this layer, RS, reporting services required in this layer. Integration services here, analysis services here, reporting services here. But Power BI level, one concept called Power Query, which will do this ETL process. Power Pivot, which will do analytical process. Power View and Map, which will do modeling, reporting process. And Pivot both, but not complete storage, partial storage. Storage partial in Power BI, not full. Or you can say limited storage. But on a whole, I want to conclude Power BI, one application sufficient to perform end-to-end process. And these are called concepts. What do you call it? Concepts. So Power Query concept for this, Power Pivot concept for this, Power View and Map concept for this. Fine. So early BA, very old BA, legacy BA, multiple tool, multiple resources required. With MSBA, one suite is sufficient. Now Microsoft reduce that suit to single application. This is a major reason why people run behind Power BI. Got it? Announced in 2013 July. What about versions? No versions in Power BI. We have monthly update. Every month we have an update. Why, sir? Because to capture continuous changes in the market. As people question, your MSB little outdated than current market features. So Microsoft decided why we need to release every 2 to 3 years one version. No 2 to 3 years one version. Every month we have an update. For example, this month, one company announced a new product. Immediately Microsoft will land and they will ask, could you give your product support to Power BI? Sir, can I see these updates? Every month update. Yes. Go to this. The previous website having the updates, you can see that. October 2022 is a current month update. Right hand side. If you want to go down, down. This is the last one. First one. So do we need to remember this? No need. No need to remember all this. Just one point is sufficient. Announcement, monthly update, no version. Understand why people running behind Power BI, why Microsoft is able to capture the market? Though MSBA brought the leadership, it brought the leadership. Power BI retaining it because of its features. On a single line, I will conclude. Power BI is a self-service business intelligence application to perform end-to-end BA operations and generate reports or dashboards suitable for better and quick decision making. So what is the input in Power BI? Input in Power BI data. And what is the output from the Power BI? A report or dashboard. That's it. So detailed explanation you want to give, this is your input, this is your output. And Microsoft did not stop. They did not stop with the super success of Power BI low code process, full graphical. Power BI is a low code application. With the super success of Power BI low code process, Microsoft announced few more and they made all in one umbrella. And that is Power Platform. So Power Platform has 5 components. Now Power BI inside Power Platform, Power BI 2019 onwards, inside this, Power Pages, Power Automate, Power Apps, Virtual Agent. So earlier Power BI is standalone, but right now Power BI under a component called Power Platform. This is what you need to learn. Got clarity? Anyone having any questions? See, now I will conclude. I explained about data. I explained about IT applications. So data used in the IT applications. IT applications, two types, transactional and analytical. Analytical applications are BA applications. BA applications, again, two types, old BA, modern BA. Power BA comes under modern BA with all the features. Earlier, Power BA is standalone. Right now, Power BA is under the umbrella called Power Platform. These are all the low-code components. And this is data to Power Platform evolution. Successfully completed. And I want to show the Power BI low-code process to generate reports and dashboards. That is tomorrow's demo. So you'll understand Power BI is in the installation practical, low-code approach, everything. All of you okay?
Yeah.
Any questions?